Hey there, what's up? It's Christina. I hope you're having a great day. And we got a good one for you because today we're going to be dealing with systems of equations, 3 variables. 3 variables, 3 dimensions. Oh yeah. Now in this case, we have to determine whether the given ordered triple is a solution to this system of equations. Now right off the bat, I'm looking at this. This is my ordered triple. Now, it's called the triple because it's got 3 numbers to it, right? Generally, we usually see it as a pair, so like an ordered pair, right? Because we're usually dealing in a 2D universe. 1 number for x, 1 number for y, that's a pair because that's 2 numbers. But now we got a triple because we're in 3 dimensions. But just like the x came first for the pair, x is going to come first for the triple, so x is going to equal 4. The y is going to equal 1, and now just go with the alphabet, x, y, and z. So z is now -7. And when you're dealing with z coordinates, you now are talking about planes instead of points, but now you're dealing with 3 dimensions because you have a new axis on your graph, and that shows things coming out at you or going away from you. But now, today, we just have to find out if this triple is a solution to the system of equations. Now, a system of equations is basically just a combination of 2 or more equations. If they may potentially be linked, they don't have to be, but just as long as they list out 2 or more equations, it's classified as the system. So this, because they have 3 equations here, this is the system of equations for this problem. But now how are we going to find out if this plane, right, with x, y, and z coordinates is the solution? Meaning, will this plane run through each, equation? Well, the only way to figure it out is to plug in the numbers. And I would just start from the top, right? We have a beautiful equation here, -x minus y plus 2z equals 3. Let's see if this makes mathematical sense when I plug in x, y, and z into this equation. So we'll just go from left to right. The equation has a negative in it, and -x, the x value we said was a 4, so -4. Keep going, minus the y value. The y value was just a 1. And then plus 2 times z. Z was a -7. And now this should equal 3. So let's go for it. Maybe we have -4 minus 1. I guess we'll just write it out in terms of PEMDAS. So technically multiplication comes first. So -4 minus -1 minus 14 equals 3. And now we go from left to right. -4 minus 1 is a -5. -5. Now we got a minus 14. And hopefully that equals 3. But -5 minus 14 is, what is that, -19? Does that equal 3? Absolutely not. So right off the bat for this one, if this does not make sense, right, -19 isn't 3. If it does not make sense, you are done. If you have one statement that is not making sense or making mathematical sense, this is not a solution, which means that this triple does not have these graphs in common. So once you find a no-no, right, we'll put a big X here. Once you find a no-no, you don't go on. So this is not a solution, and that's the end of the video. Simple as that, guys. What do you think? I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Keep studying hard. I believe in you guys. Good luck on all your tests and quizzes, not only in math, but science if you're taking physics, chemistry, which, by the way, we do have videos for that if you want, help in those classes. But any other classes you got coming up, foreign language, good luck. Chorus, good luck, PE. I know when I was in class, I needed a big good luck for that one. Especially the mile. That was the dreaded day of my life. But, yeah. So I hope you guys are doing great out there, and have a great day. All right? Also, I would like to give a huge shout out to Maricela. Thank you so much for being a member to the channel. Your support means a lot to my brother and me, and we're thrilled to have you be a part of this amazing community. Memberships are open on the channel, and if you want to become a member, just click that join button, which can be found below on any video if you're watching on your desktop, or it can be found on the overall channel page too. For all of you that want your name shown in the video, don't forget to choose the gold tier or higher. Thank you so much for considering, and have a great day. Talk to you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!